Good morning, San.
Good morning, Anna.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. How about you?
I am doing great.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept well.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Did you have your breakfast?
Yes, I had my breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs and bread.
That sounds healthy.
Thank you.
Did you complete your homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
That's good. I also completed mine.
Which subject do you like the most?
I like English because it helps me communicate.
That's nice. I like science.
Why do you like science?
Because it is interesting and practical.
That makes sense.
Which class do we have first today?
We have English class first.
Are you ready for the class?
Yes, I am fully prepared.
Did you bring your books?
Yes, I brought all my books.
Did you revise your lesson?
Yes, I revised it in the morning.
Do you feel confident today?
Yes, I feel confident.
That's great.
Do you like morning classes?
Yes, they feel fresh and active.
Do you come to school on time?
Yes, I always come on time.
That's a good habit.
Thank you.
Do you talk to your friends before class?
Yes, I like to talk with friends.
Does it help you feel relaxed?
Yes, it makes me feel happy.
Are you excited for today?
Yes, I am excited to learn new things.
Do you enjoy coming to school?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
That's wonderful.
Did you understand today's lesson properly?
Yes, I understood most of it, but some parts were a little difficult.
Which part did you find difficult?
The grammar section was confusing, especially the rules.
Don't worry, we can revise it together after class.
That would really help me understand better.
Do you always take notes during the lecture?
Yes, I try to write important points so I can revise later.
That's a very good habit for learning. Yes.
Do you
it
ask
also
questions
helps
when
me
you
during
don't understand
exams.
something?
Sometimes I feel shy, but I try to ask. You should never feel shy in class.
Yes, I am trying to improve my confidence.
What do you like most about today's class?
I like the explanation and examples given by the teacher.
Do you prefer group work or individual work?
I like group work because we can learn from each other.
That's true. Teamwork improves understanding.
Yes, and it makes learning more interesting.
Do you pay attention throughout the class?
I try my best, but sometimes I lose focus.
What do you do when you lose focus?
I try to concentrate again and listen carefully.
That's a good effort.
Thank you.
Do you revise your notes after school?
Yes, I revise them in the evening.
How much time do you spend studying daily?
I study for at least 1 to 2 hours.
That's a good routine.
Yes, it helps me stay prepared.
Do you like your teacher's teaching style?
Yes, it is simple and easy to understand.
Do you participate in class activities?
Yes, I try to
Do
participate
you
whenever
enjoy
I get a
learning new
chance.
topics? Does participation help you learn better?
Yes, it improves my confidence and understanding. Yes, I always feel excited to learn something new.
What do you do if you don't complete your work?
I complete it after school and try not to repeat the mistake.
That's responsible behavior.
Thank you. I try to stay disciplined.
Do you think regular practice is important?
Yes, practice makes learning easier and stronger.
What is your goal in studies?
My goal is to perform well and improve every day.
What do you usually do during break time?
I usually eat my lunch and spend time talking with my friends.
Do you bring lunch from home every day?
Yes, my mother prepares healthy food for me daily.
What did you bring in your lunch today? Today I brought sandwiches and some fruit. That sounds really tasty and healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Do you share your lunch with your friends?
Yes, we often share food and enjoy together.
That makes break time more fun.
Yes, it creates good bonding between friends.
Do you play games during break?
Sometimes I play games if I finish my lunch early.
What kind of games do you like to play?
I like playing football and sometimes simple running games.
Do you prefer playing or resting during break?
It depends. Sometimes I rest and sometimes I play.
Do you feel relaxed during break time?
Yes, it helps me refresh my mind.
Do you talk about studies with your friends?
Yes, sometimes we discuss homework and lessons.
Do you stay in the
That's a good way to
classroom or
learn
go
together.
outside?
Yes, it helps us understand better. Mostly, I go outside to get fresh air.
Fresh air really helps you feel active.
Yes, it gives me more energy.
Do you ever feel bored during break?
No, I always find something to do.
Do you like long breaks or short breaks? I prefer a little longer break to relax properly. Do you drink water during break?
Yes, I always drink water to stay hydrated.
That's a very good habit.
Yes, it keeps me active.
Do you ever help your friends during break?
Yes, if someone needs help with homework.
That's very kind of you.
Thank you.
Do you feel happy during break time?
Yes, it's my favorite part of the school day.
Why do you like it so much?
Because I can relax, eat, and enjoy with friends.
Do you prepare for the next class after break?
Yes, I get ready before the bell rings.
That shows you are responsible.
Yes, I try to manage my time well.
What do you usually do after school?
After school, I go home, take some rest, and then start my homework.
Do you feel tired after school?
Yes, sometimes I feel tired, but a little rest helps me feel better.
How long do you rest after coming home?
I usually rest for about 30 minutes.
Do you eat something after school?
Yes, I have a light snack and drink juice or milk.
That sounds refreshing.
Yes, it gives me energy.
When do you start your homework?
I start my homework after taking rest.
Do you complete your homework on time?
Yes, I always try to finish it before evening.
Do you face difficulty while doing homework?
Sometimes, but I try to solve it myself first.
What do you do if you don't understand something?
I ask my parents or check my notes.
That's a good way to learn.
Yes, it helps me improve.
Do you study daily after school?
Yes, I revise my lessons every day.
How much time do you spend studying?
I study for 1 to 2 hours daily.
Do you also play after studies?
Yes, I play in the evening to relax.
What games do you like to play?
I like outdoor games like football and cricket.
Playing games is important for health.
Yes, it keeps me active and fresh.
Hey, how was your day at school today?
Oh, it was quite busy but also interesting.
Really, what made it interesting?
We had a surprise activity in English class and it was fun.
Wow, that sounds exciting. What kind of activity was it?
The teacher asked us to speak in English about our daily routine.
Oh, that's a great way to improve speaking skills.
Yes, at first I was nervous but then I felt more confident.
That's amazing. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, haha. After starting, I actually enjoyed speaking.
That's how confidence grows, step by step.
Yes, I realized practice really helps.
What else did you do today?
We also had a science experiment.
Oh, wow. What was the experiment about?
It was about mixing different liquids and observing reactions.
That sounds very interesting and practical.
Yes, I like learning things that I can see in real life.
Same here. Practical learning is always better.
Yes, it makes concepts easy to understand.
Did you face any difficulty today?
Yes, a little difficulty in math class.
Oh, what happened in math class?
The teacher explained a new topic and I couldn't understand it fully.
That's okay. New topics can be confusing at first.
Yes, I plan to revise it again at home.
That's a good idea. Revision makes things clear.
Yes, and I will also ask the teacher tomorrow.
Great. Asking questions is very important.
Yes, I'm trying to be more confident in asking.
That's a big improvement. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
What did you do during break time?
I had lunch with my friends and we talked a lot.
What did you talk about?
Mostly about school and some funny moments.
That sounds fun.
Yes, break time is always my favorite.
Same here. It refreshes the mind.
Yes, after break I feel more active.
What do you usually do after coming home?
First, I rest for a while and then start my homework.
Do you complete everything on time?
Yes, I try to finish before evening.
That's very disciplined.
Yes, it helps me stay stress-free.
Do you also play after studies?
Yes, I play in the evening with my friends.
That's important for balance.
Yes, it keeps me fresh and happy.
Do you ever feel tired of this routine?
Sometimes, but I remind myself of my goals.
That's very motivating.
Yes, I want to improve and become successful.
That's a great mindset.
Thank you. I'm learning to stay positive.
Do you think school life is important?
Yes, it teaches discipline, knowledge, and confidence.
Absolutely. It builds our future.
Yes, every day we learn something new.
I really enjoyed talking about this.
Same here. It was interesting and helpful.
So guys, this was our school life conversation and daily routine practice.
Yes, and I hope you enjoyed and learned something new.
Remember, learning English becomes easy when you practice daily.
And don't be afraid to speak, even if you make mistakes.
Confidence comes with practice.
And small steps lead to big success.
If you liked this conversation,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
keep learning and keep improving.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.